Yes. Oh, heck yes. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready. I've been waiting to get something off that site for a while, and I finally saw something that I was willing to pull the trigger on. Box number one. You ready?
Let's see.
I got a giant pizza.
Whoa. Whoa, they're big.
Huge. Wow.
Whoa, Daddy. This is big.
No.
Is there another one?
That is horrible.
Look, Mommy.
Whoa, they're in really good condition too. Look at the thing.
Well, you don't even need to redo them.
This is actually the color that I wanted. You see how the fins are a little bit
Black?
darker, like a black
Yeah.
chrome with the regular chrome. All right, guys. So this is what I got. I got me some Weds crayons, Vishnus, however you want to call it. These are 19s. As you can tell, they're really big. They have the original Weds lips on them. These will be getting the Hot Boy redo later on in the future, not right now. Let's open up the rest of the wheels. So I think this is here, Weds, 19 by 8.5, 44 offset. So these might be like the front. I'm not too sure if these are welded barrels or not. I gotta rip off the silicone and see. But geez, we could leave these in the living room.
I started with that one.
This must be the other meat. I think they're both eating like that.
Cool.
Got it, baby?
Yeah.
Damn, these are so clean. I can't believe the price on this.
Oh, this must be a front, huh? This one looks a little bit,
Deeper, yeah.
yeah. Like, no, like the rear barrel looks less wide. At the end.
8.5. Oh yeah, 27 offset. 8.5 with a 27 offset. That one is a 44 offset. So this is the rear, because it has a deeper lip,
Yeah.
and then those would be the fronts. Damn. These are so clean. I just gotta touch up that little black right there. So I want to try these out and fit them on the car, but the weather outside is crazy. Let's take a look. So this is the view outside, and as you guys know, there's a bunch of wildfires. And you can actually see the ash floating around in the air outside, so I don't want to go outside. So we have to wait for better weather to come so I can get the car into the garage and test fit these. But I just want to show you guys my pickup. I'm very happy with my purchase. These things are like pretty much brand new, yeah?
Yeah, they look really good. I'm surprised that the inner barrels are so clean too.
Yeah. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these wheels. 'Cause I think they're sick.
Do you want to test fit them on my car since your car is outside?
What? I mean, we could, but 19s would look way too big.
19s do look huge on 240s.
Yeah.
But if you want to see what they look like.
I just realized something kind of funny.
What?
Like, it looks like it's even, right? Like the way it's mounted up.
Yeah.
For the most part, right? So tell me why. Tell me why this bolt is right here and this bolt is underneath the plastic over here. If it was even, then wouldn't both sides be mounted in the same spot, right?
How come this one? How come this one is so huge?
I don't know how to work on cars. Okay, you ready? Oh yeah! That.
I don't know if it's just because it's yellow, but I feel like it doesn't match my car.
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't match. It for sure doesn't.
I don't know why, but I feel like it looks really huge.
Yeah, I like that. Look at how sick this looks. You don't like this? What are you talking about? That looks freaking sick. So you want me to put the other bumper back on there?
No, I want you to put the wing back.
I like it without the wing.
I like it with the wing better.
You do? That's crazy. Cause this is my car.
So the bolts on the tie rod ends are stripped, and also the joint is worn out, so it just drops. So the inner and the outer both needs to be replaced.
Wow, so strong.
I know, it's a one time. That was way easier than I was expecting it to be. So these are the ones that Bradley ordered. He ordered 2 sets on accident. So that means we have an extra set.
That means he had an extra set. So that means we have. So that means we have a set now. Just get it close and then we can adjust it.
Because this is the toe.
Yeah.
I want it to be good. Because the toe is like almost, it was like pretty much perfect. This one doesn't need to be bent.